Hello viewers, welcome to Civilworld 2.0 YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Autodesk AutoCAD tutorial. This is Sambat. This channel is created only for technical professional and fresher in the construction industry. If you are new subscriber, please subscribe my channel and keep support my YouTube channel. If you are the fresher, this video for you to learn about Autodesk AutoCAD. Let's get started. So today topics: drawing commands, modify commands, annotate dimension, style manager, text command, layers. Drawing commands. So line, polyline, circle. These are all small tools. This is the basic tools. First one it is line. Second polyline, circle, rectangle, arc, construction line. This is X line. Next revision cloud, hatch and gradient. I will quickly introduce this AutoCAD itself. So I will switch off grid and everything. So lines you can use here, home menu bar, here draw tool, toolbar, and here you can take from the tools. You can see this is the line, so you can alternately you can use L command, so you can take from command or directly from the tool. So next command it is a polyline. You can choose here or a PL, it is the command. Polyline means if you select one stretch means it will select all the stretch, so this is called polyline. So next it is circle. Circle C command, or you can use here circle. It is a lot of different circle is there, so we will see next next tutorial itself, circle and arc and everything. So next it is arc. Arc you can take A, it is the command. So this is the arc. So if you go here, this is a lot of varieties it is there. Arc itself you can use. Next rectangular, REC, it is the command. REC, it is this is the rectangular, it will be closed loop. Next ellipse, EL, it is ellipse, so it is coming like egg shape. Next we can use hatch and gradient, everything here. So hatch means hatch, it is the command. So hatch it will be acted only closed loop. Closed loop means rectangular, it is the closed loop. You can see here properties itself. You can see general informations, 3D visualization information, geometry information, and miscellaneous itself. This loop, it is closed or not. If it is closed means it will give yes. More or less lot of time this hatch and gradient only used for closed loop itself. And gradient it is GRA, so you can pick any color you want. So you can choose any patterns or anything here. So this is the gradient. So hatch itself command is hatch, it will be act only closed surface. You can choose any patterns here. So also you can assign everything here, colors. Gradient also same. So here hatch transparency, while using drawing sheet it will be give some transparencies, and you can control angular this pattern angle also, and scale I will give 5 means 5 means this much. I will give 0.1 means it is too close lines it will come. So this is the hatch. So you can use this option and all. Annotative, mostly you can use annotative only, associative and annotative. Annotative you should use anywhere, and you can edit, recreate this. You can use these tools. Hatch. Next one it is revision cloud and gradient vision only revision cloud. You can use revision cloud from the object, or you can try live itself. Revision cloud RVC. So here arc length it is there. First you should choose the arc length. Here I am using 0.5 only, and yeah, I am using object. So already some object is there. If I give no means it will come like this, or if I give yes means it will come reversible. So again I switched on this command and giving rectangular, polygonal, freehand, everything we can use. So RVCV it is the command. Revision cloud it is RECV. Okay. Next it is modify commands. You can move, copy, rotate, mirror, trim, fillet, stretch, scale, array. So you can see here lot of tools is there. So if you expand this panel also, you can use this much tools. So main tool it is totally 9 tools. I will show you how to use. So example for I am going to produce one rectangular. How to, so this is the point. So I am going to move here to here. So I am going to pick any one endpoint, not endpoint, that is the base point, and displacement it is I am given this point, so it is moved. So move command you can use here, or M it is the command, and copy CP or CO it is the command. So you can use multiple copies. Alternatively you can use shortcuts Control C, Control V, or Control X means it will be cut, it will be pasted only one location. So this is the copy option, and next one it is the stretch. You can see here this is a stretch option. STR it is the command, or you can pick from here. So stretch option I selected this end to this end. So here selecting this end point and this end point. So how it will work means, so selected end point only it will act. So I have selected here and all. So you can see here stretch object, I am selecting here to here in this line, but it won't work. So end point it will be the active point in this case. So next it is the rotate command. You can see this is a line. Rotate command RO. You need one base point, and you can rotate whatever you were needed. You can pick You can give any angle, particular angle, it will be work. And mirror, you can use any object mirror location, or you can't use any object also, it will work. So mirror, it is mi command. So I selected the object and pick the base point mirror line. So it shows erase source object. If I give yes means it will delete this one, it will propose this one. Or if I give no means it will retain this one and it will produce this one. So totally two rectangle it will be produced. So next one, it is the scale. So scale, we can use sc command, you can pick anywhere. So I'm going to copy or reference. Copy means, so original it will be same size, and copy one it will be extended. I will give 5, so it will come like this. So sc here, so base point it is here. I am giving copy option. You can pick shortcuts here. You can see this command line bar. So this is the command. You can pick C or F, sorry, R. So it means copy means you can pick C, and the reference means you can pick R. It is a command. So copy means I am giving 0.5. So it will be copied and scaled. So this is the tool. And another one more thing, fillet and trim, it is there. Fillet means I'm going to select radius first. So I'm giving 0.5 radius. So fillet means if you select two lines means, so corner it will be some arc shape. So it is the fillet. I will give another one, fillet radius it is 5 meter. So I selected this line and this line. You can see this curve it will be coming like this, and I will measure the curve here. You can use radius and diameter and everything. You can check here, fillet radius it is 5. So next one, it is trim. So trim, it is the command, it is tr once texted tr, double enter, and cross line it will be delete. So it will come like this. Single object it won't trim. If you cross any lines, it will be the trim, it will work trim. First select all object and trim. You can see here, if I going to select any object, it will be hide. If you enter means, enter or click means, it will be delete automatically. So this two object, it is different object. Once joined, it will be act trim command here itself. So you can see it will be delete automatically. And next one, it is array command. So array command, it is AR. So array itself, 3 arrays it is there. One, it is rectangular. So first I created rectangular array, and here you can control here a row and column and everything. So you can decrease the intervals here to here. you can change column itself and row itself, same command. So this and all you can alternatively use. If you changed everything, but project itself some changes, you can change any source object, it will be act all those things. So you can see this is the rectangular. I changed source file, but it is changing all those arrays. Once you're done, just save these changes. So you can replace and everything. You can give base points to here. So I will close the array and delete, and again I will do the rectangular. One more thing, and I am giving the path array. First you should create one path. I am using polyline and using line and arc tool. So this is the object, this is the path. So path it will be not break here or somewhere. It is a continuous line. It will be the line and arc. So I just selected the object AR path. I'm giving the path. So path itself, it is coming along the path, it will be pasted. So you can see, you can increase how much you want to this distance. I'm reducing 5. So reducing 5 means it will be increase the count of the object, and you can add rows as well, and in between rows, in between this distance here to here we can decrease as well as totally 4 count it is there. So I will increase 8 count means, so it will be equally divided and extended. So you can use like this. Levels also you can increase, base point measure tool, and you can same source file you can edit. If you edit any source file, it will be act all those location. So I'm going to delete this one. I will create one circle. So and one object means it will be anything here, line, polyline, circle, arc, anything. So arc, I am selecting this object. Now I am going to give you the polar related these things. Once you click the center of the base point, it will be come like this. So you can increase your lines, so your final output it is coming like this, and you can edit and replace and everything same. So you can use like this. This is the array tool. Next it is the dimension or annotate dimension style manager. First I will give you the short introduction these tools. So I'm creating one rectangular and circle and arc. So I will show you how to use, and triangle also. So you can see this is the linear. It will act only horizontal or vertical. Rectangle, circle and arc. So I'm going to use linear. You can see this linear always act vertically or horizontally only, not inclined location. So you can use like this. So next it is angle. Angle means this interior angle, it is 105. This angle it is 225, totally 360. So next one it is arc length. So while using arc, you can use you can dimensioning arc length too. This is the arc length, this is not degree. So this symbol indicates arc length. Next, radius. You can pick radius, arc itself or circle itself. So radius it is this one, and radius into 2 means it will become dimension, sorry, diameter. So you can see here, this is the dimension of this circle. If you change circle dimension, it will be automatically it will act automatically, it will calculated. So we are covered linear, aligned, radius, angular, arc length. Next, annotation dimension style manager. I will give you the quick intro. So command it is the D. So D means dimension style manager. It will come like this, or you can pick here and select dimension style manager. It is a default template I have opened. This is a standard dimension tool, so you can here modify everything. So you can choose colors. So already here everything it is standard. It is standard dimension style only. So if I change it here, it will be hacked here itself. So while changing, you can see here it will be change some colors and everything. So you can choose this baseline offset, so 0.5. so you can use a dim line 1 or 2, or complex some complex project you can use one complex locations and all. So extension lines color also you can use different color, and whatever layers it is it will be work and all. So you can use extend line thickness and everything. You can offset to this range it is point of the origin to here, it will be 0.5 now. So you can once give the OK, you should give the set current, and again I am going to change here this arrow types. I'm going to give another things, and you can specify first arrowhead and the second arrowhead and a leader also, so it will be change automatically. And you can specify arrow size and center marks where it will be needed. So break lines, dimensions and all you can give manually, and jog this angle and all it will come 45 degree, so we can change here itself. And this is the text tool, only it will be act text. You can see you can pick all those properties here and here, fit here. Most important option it is annotative. If you using drawing means, if you using 1.50 1.100 sorry 1:100 1:200 means it will be automatically act this dimension styles as per standard, otherwise it won't work annotative. And another one more thing, primary units, you can use these units here. You can use gradients, radians too. You can use alternate units also. Once you select here means it will be activated. And the tolerance, you can use tolerance here itself. If you give press OK and set current, it will be act. So this is all about annotative dimension style manager tools. So next it is text command. Text command, it is two text it is there. One it is the single text, one it is the multi text. So I will show you how it will work. So single text it is command it is under txt. So this is the single text. So angle it is, I will give 15. So it will come like this. So next, this is the multi-text. How we can check means just open properties here, control 1. So press control 1 means it will hide and it will activated. 1 second pressed control 1. You can pick here, this is, it will show text. It means this is single text, and this is the multi-text. You can check here, you can change this value here too. So we can use here, and we can change this styles and everything. So justify, we can use everything here, and we can change positions to alignment and everything here. You can use, otherwise annotate, go and select a single line and a multi-line here too. Next it is interesting chapter, it is layer properties manager. So every object it will be running some certain layers sets. I will going to show you how how we can utilize these layers. We can use multiple layers. This is the new layer. This is the freezing, unfreezing these things, and deleting layers. And current set means while working something, if 0 it is the current set layer. So if you draw any object, it will be acted 0 layer itself. So now I am going to choose to text as a layer 2 means I'm going to select 2. If I switched off light means it will off, so it will on. Freeze means it will not show, so element it is there. It is similar command. It is light switch on, switched off. And locked means it will come dim light. If you select any object on locked means layer locked means it won't select, and we can't move, and we can't use anything modification commands. Once you unlock means it will work. And another one more, it is we can control it is don't print this layer object. Don't print means we can pick here don't print. So and color, we select color means you can introduce any color. Once you assign this color, here properties itself, this object properties itself, you should specify by layer, then only it will act, or otherwise it won't act. So you can see, so I am going to choose red color, so it will be act here. And line type also you can load and select anything here. So line means I'm going to give one example. This is the line which I choosing layer 2, so it will become like this. AutoCAD ISO does that dashed lines. So line weight I'm going to specify this one. It is another one more command is there. Once that command it is activated only, then only it will show, otherwise print time it will show. So line weight settings, once you switch on these settings, then only it will show lively this line weight. So next you can increase or decrease the transparency. You can see it will be dimmed. Now next new VP freeze means new viewport freeze. While using viewport, that time we can freeze, and while using viewport there is two or three options it will become: viewport freeze, viewport color, and everything. And you can specify what it is. It is waterline means you can specify waterline. So that's why we are using layers and everything. So while we are xrefing means xref layers also it will be come here, we can control here. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment me on comment section. I will review on your comment, and I will upload your query related videos. If you would like to this video, like and subscribe my channel and share to your friend circle. Thanks for your support. Next topic is black, parametric, isometric views, isometric drawings, And finally, 2D fundamentals. See zone with other tutorials.